Welcome, in this video we are going to learn PDF authentication bypass auxiliary module in Metasploit. This module exploits an authorization bypass vulnerability in Foxit Reader build 1120. When an attacker creates a specially crafted PDF file containing an open or execute action, arbitrary commands can be executed without confirmation from the victim. Let's open up terminal. Type MSF console. Now let's load the authentication bypass module into the MSF console. Type use auxiliary /pdf /foxit /authentication bypass. Type info. You can see that module information. Basic options are cmd command to execute it, file name, the name of the file. Here I saved upl.en.pdf file in desktop. Let's set the upl-en.pdf file. Type set file name root /desktop upl-en.pdf. Let's execute it. Type run. You can see that our bypass vulnerability Foxit Reader file is saved in root /.msf4 local directory. Using this file, you can send to victim by social engineering technique. When the victim opens the PDF file, we get Metasploit session. So that's it in this video on PDF authentication bypass in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.